I'm seed starting some of my favorite vegetables, and that is Swiss chard. Swiss chard, if you haven't worked with it, is absolutely amazing in what you can do with it in the kitchen. And it's very easy to grow. You can start it in the greenhouse. You can start it straight in direct seed in the bed. I'm getting a jump on spring by doing it now. And I'm planting 3 different Swiss chards. This one is Vulcan, which was developed in Switzerland. And this seed company, Baker Creek, has a lot of very interesting heirloom seeds. And they have the pictures usually on their packet and the description of where they came from. Swiss chard that is rainbow mix is also a colorful multicolor. And then I'm doing Bright Lights, which is, they don't have a picture on this packet, but it is a multicolor also. Swiss chard is related to beets. Beta vulgaris is the Latin name of both plants. And so the Swiss chard grows up but doesn't get a bulb like beets, and it's milder tasting. Now, it's a little closer to spinach, and I use it interchangeably with spinach, especially since you can't grow spinach through the summer and the heat, while Swiss chard likes the heat just fine, and it grows until it gets cold. Now, they have the neatest seeds. Beets and chard are these complex seeds that you can see have more than one seed in each of these little balls. And so you can, when you grow them, you'll end up with more than you expected, sometimes more than you can imagine. So you might not want to start too many of them. I have here 2 4-packs of each. So that I can see how we like them in the garden, how they grow, and how much we'll do for market in the future. Planting about 2 to 4 in each cell and 1/2 inch deep, and then covering it with a light potting mix or covering them themselves and watering them in. You want to make sure that there's plenty of moisture. You never want seeds to dry out because then they can't germinate. They need air, water, and sunlight. And there we are, started with Swiss chard for the summer.